Welcome to our guide on how to view starred messages on Gmail using your PC with the latest updates. If you want to easily access important messages, starred options make it a breeze. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you log into your account so you have everything ready to go. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots on the upper right side of the screen, right next to your profile photo. Click on those dots to open a menu of different Google apps. Here, you'll want to select Chat. This feature allows you to access your conversations and starred messages quickly. Once in the chat interface, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll find various folders and options. Look for the Starred section and click on it. This is where all your important messages, those you've starred previously, will be gathered for easy access. And that's it. You're now able to view all your starred messages in one convenient place. This simple update in Gmail streamlines your experience, making it easier to find what you need without searching through countless emails. Remember that starring messages can help keep your most important conversations front and center. Whether it's work-related emails or personal messages, using the star feature is a powerful way to stay organized. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Gmail experience. Happy emailing!